Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. Today I would like to share with you that I am participating this Christmas in July. She's asked that we make items for Christmas, and it can be a gift. It can be something we use at home. Get the decoration. And I decided to make something that I was going to use. So this is what I came up with. I came up with one of these aprons that is a full body one, and then I made this half apron, and I want to say that I recorded myself making them, but my battery ran out and I didn't notice. So I'm gonna try to salvage what I can from two recordings that I made, and I'm just gonna patch everything up, and I do apologize for that, but I couldn't unmake them again, so I'm just gonna go ahead with what I have now. So using items I already had at home, I made my two aprons and a tabletop. I had a little under 3 yards of this fabric. I used scissors, some pins, and some green thread. I cut 3 36 inches of ribbon. 2 of them will be for the side ties and 1 for the top. And you will be bringing in your ribbons inside and keeping them below. And I'm keeping both of the ribbons on the inside. For the third 36-inch ribbon, I will be cutting that one in half, like that. And I will be inserting it on the inside. like to thank Davina once again for hosting this collaboration, this fun Christmas in July, and this is my contribution to the collaboration. I'll be linking below her channel and a playlist that she has created for this collaboration. I hope that you go to each and every one of the channels that are participating. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Goodbye.